Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second week of class. Remember to always come and check Schoology every single day. This video is going to explain to you what you need to do for Monday, September 14th. So here we are at our course page. We are going to go down to our unit, Welcome Back, Preparing to Be Successful Online. We have completed week 1. Now we are in week 2. You will click week 2, September 14th to the 18th. And now we are here, Monday, September 14th. You will first watch the video that you are watching now. After you watch the video, you will click Async. Async is the work that you need to do independently. So today you are going to complete the Spark 3000 level set test. This test is assessing your comprehension in English. Here are the instructions, which you must read. This gives you an overview of what the test is about. And then you are going to watch this video. Please make sure you watch this video. It has a lot of important information for you to take the test. After you watch the video and remember to read all of the instructions, you will go back to Async, and here are the directions to complete the level set test. All right, so you need to take this test. You have 1 hour. Do not rush through and don't take too long. Put a timer if you must. All right, let's read all the directions. You're going to go to the website and you will click login. I will send you a username and password. You read the instructions and then you click start. If you are unable to finish in the hour, if something happens, please be sure to close out of the website on your laptop, your computer, or on your cell phone. And that is it for asynchronous work. Let us go to sync. Today is Monday, so we will have Zoom class together. Here is the code. We will have a lot of things to do. Today we'll do some community building. We will talk about sorting and categorizing. I will answer any questions that you guys may have, and we will have a visit from staff at the school. All right, and that is it for Monday, September 14th. Good luck.